Hello again, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, and today I'm going to talk about a different kind of keystone wall called a Semplice Keystone wall. Now, last month you saw me do a video on a Country Manor keystone wall. This is a nice heavy keystone wall. It's good for retaining walls anywhere from 2 feet all the way up to 6 feet if you do some rebar reinforcement. And just a little refreshing of your memory, a keystone wall is a wall that is not put together with rebar and mortar together. It is literally just stacked on top. Now in the case of Country Manor, it is pinned together, and for these walls, since they were over 3 feet, they also added an epoxy to glue them together. But keystone walls are really great for short little simple walls that you want to do a little bit of soil retention. So, the one we're going to talk about today, this product is a new product that was introduced a year ago. This is called a Semplice Keystone wall. This is a really nice product for keystone walls that are in that 1 to 2, almost 3 foot range. They're really great when you have a short little grade change like we had in this backyard, where we needed to take care of about a 10-inch grade change and keep that little slope off the brand new artificial turf. Semplice is another product of RCP block and brick, so it follows the same color guidelines that product does. And so here's a couple of those different colors. This particular one is called brownstone, and the next one is called graystone, and then finally the last one is called charcoal brown. This product actually comes in 7 different colors. If you click on the link in the video description, you'll get a chance to see all the different colors, and it is the same color patterns that their pavers come in, because all of these are manufactured at the yard in Otay Mesa. It also comes in this cool little fireplace kit, so you can order the kit and it comes with all the pieces already cut for that. So again, the 3 most common colors that Semplice comes in are charcoal brown, graystone, and brownstone, as you see in this color comparison at the display yard at the C&T shop. So again, this is a product called Semplice Keystone, a really nice product to do a simple little keystone wall. This does not use any pins. They're just gravity stacked on top of each other. And then they have a nice little cap. The cap is about 10 inches wide, so it is comfortable for sitting on. You can build this wall up to about 14 to 19 inches, which is a really good seating wall height. And again, it's a little smoother than Country Manor. Here's an example of a 21-inch high Semplice Keystone wall. Again, a really nice seating wall height, great for simple little walls in a backyard. Well, that's all the time we have for today. Again, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener. Make sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe to get more of my garden videos. Till next time, thanks so much for watching.